It's so funny. Alright, right out. Hey guys, it's come here with, well, in a car and it's raining with this guy. Now say something.
G-Money in the cut.
What if I point the camera at other people? Will they notice?
You should do it.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think they'll notice. Compared to that one guy from the fight at Walmart vlog.
Oh, no. What if we saw him on the road?
What if we actually do see him again?
That'd be crazy.
Yeah, very crazy. I bet he'll be like, oh, it's you guys again. Come, I'm gonna kick your ass. So if you're wondering, we're off our way to a camp. And funny enough, last time we went there, we were campers there, and now we're actually working there. Yeah. And last time we were there, there was this one point where we were at stayed at someplace else with a playground in it, and I saw some guy get up top of it. I was like, how the hell did you up there? And then eventually some other people climbed up. Then this girl was up there and she fell off the roof of it, hit the slide and hit the mulch. And then Griffin was like,
damn, son.
yeah. Who was that person anyway?
Was it a guy or a girl?
No, it was a girl.
I think that was Gabrielle. We might see her again.
Yeah, so I think she actually went home after that fell.
Yeah, I'm surprised she didn't break anything.
Thought she did. Well, it's been, I don't know. Well, it's been 4 years since that happened.
Yeah. That was crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. Zach also said I could also vlog there, but not pointed at any kids.
Yeah.
So I guess if we ever have any free time, we could take a minute on a vlog hike, like from the other one where you threw the water bottle out. I was like, oh, here's my drink, and then you grabbed it and then just threw it.
Was that at Castlewood?
Yeah, so it was a hiking Mount Everest vlog. And that was the same day we saw Infinity War. So, and I'm probably not gonna upload this until I get home. So, good.
It's gonna be hard.
Yeah. So today's the 22nd. So this will be uploaded on the 29th. Wow, if you look at it through the camera, it looks a little more clear. Let's see anyone back behind us. Nope, does not look like it. Should just do this. Oh, I want to do it again. I didn't get it. There you go.
He like brake checks this or something.
Yeah, that would be messed up, but ironic. But yeah, this guy's coming in an RV. On him. Take a nice, good look at this.
Him in the truck.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, I don't think that we really notice because we're just because we're focusing on driving. And that. See what's getting together. This other person. It looked like some guy in a green shirt. Almost reminds me of that other dude. So, at this point now, just driving on the open road. Get this. What if one of those people actually see this from the? What if one of these people from that I filmed up there will actually see this? They'll be like, "Hey, that's me. How did he get that?" Just flashback on that vehicle. That's sure. For a second I thought he saw me, but no, he did. But he didn't.
I slowed down.
Oh wow! You attempted to make him see me. Yeah. Let's try to see if I can zoom in and get a good look of anyone else on that side. Yeah. That's cool. So, from this point off, just drop it. Actually, I know what I actually should have done to that guy. Just done this.
Yeah.
Make him honk.
What if we did that in all those rigs' house?
Well, I don't know if they'll be in. Any of them will be in the truck because they're probably out parked.
Yeah, or they're asleep.
I don't see. Actually, I see a couple people in there. Yeah, but not at all. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. But it didn't want to get too far away. Wait. So we might. So this might be the only vlog we do on this trip. If not, then we'll probably do another one. Yeah, and hopefully this rain doesn't sound too loud to you all. See part of the edge of my fingers there. I don't know how long that's been there. See. Yeah, so from the weather we can tell from this far it's raining. And he said, well, how long do you think it will be until the rain stops?
I'd say it's about 10:30 now, almost.
Yeah.
It'll stop a little after noon.
Okay.
That's my prediction.
Okay, let's get it. So, yeah. Going good so far. Over deal. That's it. Wow. The camera makes the car look a little farther away. But up to us, it looks a little more close. I think that guy saw me.
Really?
I don't know.
Oh, he waved.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
He went.
Wow. Oh, I'm just expecting them at one of them at this point to just drop the recording or but I can't really do that because we're in a car. The only way how that would actually work is if he somehow pulls in front of us and makes us stop.
Oh, dick.
Yeah, oh, dick. But although that would be kind of dangerous because of the rain.
Yeah, that would be dangerous.
So, let's get this one next. Oh, he saw me. I saw him. He saw him. He turned his head and looked.
Oh, he's behind us now.
Oh. Wait, oh.
Get out of here.
I was looking at him with the camera out like this, and I saw him turn. I was like, oh, and I ducked the camera down. Wait, did we lose him?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. Where am I going, guys?
See if you can get this route.
Okay, since it will come. Okay, yeah. Shoot it. Whoa.
It's raining.
We'll get here. He did it! He did it!
Let's go!
I kept the camera low so he wouldn't even notice. I didn't think that would actually work. Because I've seen it before in like TV shows and such, and I didn't think someone would actually do it.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh, wait. I thought there were 2 trucks.
Yeah, this one's screwed on.
Oh wow.
I can't believe we just did this.
I can't believe it either. I'm still laughing right now from the... Show the boys back home about this.
Yeah.
One Zach was like, dude, you're committing a crime by recording someone and making them do it. Oh man. Oh man. I can't stop laughing after that. I don't know why. Oh, I probably just need to get a drink. Okay, I'm not gonna do it again. Just have to do that. Oh, it was a female this time. Oh, I don't know why I can't stop laughing after that. Man, it's so worth it. No. No, I played it safe. Oh my. Looks like it's starting to clue up a little.
Yeah.
And I know what I'm gonna actually name this vlog.
What?
Honk the horn. Man, yeah, that was crazy.
That was good.
And now this is a really fun thing to look back on. Here. Can't again get a nice side view of this going in. And there's my backpack there. Say hello. Stuff in the back. Other than that, it's just us. Don't have some guy in a truck. Actually. Also, we kidnapped Zach. He's in the trunk. Yeah. He's in the trunk just banging to get out of there.
How you doing back there, buddy? Let me out.
No, just kidding. We didn't really kidnap him. It was just an idea that Griffin had before we left.
Whoa. It wasn't me.
Yeah, it was you. I heard you said that clearly. Got over some sort of colored RV.
Yeah.
And it had a bike on the back of it. Oh, wow. But it, like, driving on. Oh, come on. I was hoping we would pass this car and just aim the camera at all of them. And that'll be just fine. In case you guys are wondering where we're driving to Alaska. So it's gonna, yeah. So, yeah, we don't have all of our coats and stuff are in those bags. So, and we'll see the sun not set for a few days once we get up there.
Yeah. Our next vlog will be with some penguins.
But
our guest stars.
are penguins even in Alaska?
I'm not sure. Wait, probably not.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, but so.
You know what I just watched the other day?
What?
Surf's Up.
Surf's Up.
It's a fire movie.
You know they made a sequel to that.
Just two, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Surf's Up 2 Wave Mania. Yeah, so
that one's not as good as...
I thought it was a little better than the first one.
Really? Why?
I don't know why. I just thought the voice acting and Avenger was pretty cool. Like at one point where I was like, one of the guys was walking on a tightrope over a canyon. He was talking to his conch shell, and he looked down and he was like, "Oh, what? You're afraid of heights?" and then after that, when they almost all made it across, the rope snapped, and a Chicken Joe jumped out of the way of a tree branch, and he was like, "Guys, wait for me!" And he jumped down after them.
I am Chicken Joe.
Yeah. Okay, so really our guest stars for that next vlog would be polar bears. Oh wait, are polar bears in Alaska?
I'm not sure.
Or if not, then Alaskan huskies. I think I'm starting to see some blue sky. We're almost out of this storm. Yeah. I think the person in the shotgun seat saw me. Oh no! I saw him look up at the last second, like. I don't know why this car looks like someone you could see in GTA.
Yeah.
Cause I don't know. I've been out in the street some, and I've seen a few cars that kind of look like a race car. And actually, to paint it.
Charger.
Oh my god! Oh, that guy saw me here. But I love with the camera and all that. Hopefully, he didn't notice. I don't think he did. And for a second, I thought it was that same dude from the fighting Walmart vlog, but then I saw he had a beard and the other guy didn't.
Yeah.
Oh no, that guy kind of looks like someone I seen before in the truck. I don't know what. It looks similar to someone who was. Totally have an idea who, but I don't know who.
Looks like we're about to get out of this rain soon.
Yeah, because things starting to clear up a bit. that back there was the school. Leo's got straight ahead.
I'll give them a little update. See how far we are.
Okay.
We are about 46 minutes out, 52 miles.
50, yeah, till we get to our rest stop, up to Alaska.
Yep.
Yeah, no. So if you want to get other people on you, other people without them knowing, just get in a car, drive, right, and name the camera at other cars you pass, or trucks, depending on who you're aiming at. Wait, is that a boat?
Yeah.
It's a little hard to tell because the motor was up.
The rain's gone. Pretty much.
Well, it's still slowly coming down. But now it should sound a little more quieter and easier to hear us. But I don't know if it'll make too much of a difference because when we did the bowling vlog, it was still easy to hear us. Well, me, that was because I'm in front of the camera.
That's it. All right.
I know what we should do, but I don't think it will work.
What should we do?
We both tried to make them honk.
Oh, I doubt that one.
Well, first we would need a third lane.
Yeah.
Maybe if we were on a motorcycle, then maybe it would work. But I think the only one that has a motorcycle is Mac.
Yeah.
We got a double trailer here. So still get a few drops coming in. What? No. I'm gonna slide this back and you see my face. No, I'm just kidding.
Have you done a face reveal yet?
No, I'm not planning on doing it for a while. Yeah. But maybe one day I will. It won't be next year or this year. It won't be for a few more years. But come on, well,
how many subs are you at right now?
I'm 64.
If Nathan gets 500 subs, I'll do a face reveal.
I don't know about that. Well, I want to know this YouTuber who didn't do a face reveal or a first name reveal for about 7.5 years on YouTube.
Whoa.
Well, I'm kind of like that. I'm kind of like that person, but the only difference is I revealed my first name, not instead. Not.
Yeah, I was kind of worried I just leaked it.
No, you didn't. And plus, even if you did, you said it before in the previous vlogs. Like, you just said it once. I remember you said it once in the throw it out the window vlog. Like when you were telling me about a golf cart.
Oh,
yeah. Took a picture of that. What do we get? Oh, I think the guy was a smoker.
Really?
I don't know. Didn't look like it. Or maybe it was just a lollipop in his mouth. Oh my god, I saw him look at me. And I leveled the camera down at the last second. I bet he's looking at me for stuff face like, was that guy holding a camera? So, take the rain. We're completely out of the rain.
Yeah.
Didn't even know it still looks pretty cloudy as of right now, but well. At this point, I'm just driving through on the open road. Road here, but go for it. I can't tell if that person was the lucky star or not because the windows were too tint, and that looks like a much better boat than that other one we saw. Okay, maybe that other boat that we saw, that guy was taking it to a junkyard.
Dang.
Or maybe just taking it to get repaired. Oh, it's an RV.
Looks like that RV's doing a wheelie.
Yeah, I can't. Yeah, actually, both of them kind of look like it. Because of the roof, how the roof is laid out.
Yeah.
Hopefully, you're not playing copyrighted music.
I don't think.
Okay. Getting back to this one could be a little bit of a toughie. Okay, I guess that makes sense because it was pulled by a truck trailer. No hands. But I don't want to keep it like that. Not too long, because then it'll be a little hot. Because then this will fall.
Yeah.
Oh wait, did I just adjust that thing or no?
No, it's good.
Oh, okay. Get quite cute back. Oh, okay. This tracksuit looks like he's trying to move in the next lane. Dang.
I'm gonna let this go.
At this point, just have like a line of trucks and RVs. Pretty big line ahead of us to get past. guys. Thank you. I think this is the biggest one the year has. Well, no, he said, okay, okay, good. So now we can pass this truck. Oh, I don't know if he saw me or not. Well, might as well end it off here. So, thank you guys for watching the vlog. If you guys enjoyed, hit the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss a video. If you have anything left to say,
See you vlog.
Okay, so see you all next time.